On June 12, 2023, two engineers sent by Southeast Asian Surgical Microscope dealers came to Chengdu Quarter Options and Electronics Co., Limited for a 4-day training on neurosurgery surgical microscope products. The training content includes theoretical knowledge of the structure and use function of neurosurgery operating microscope, learning the circuit system of neurosurgery operating microscope, understanding the lens maintenance and body cleaning methods of neurosurgery operating microscope, and conducting practical exercises to master the use function of neurosurgery operating microscope. In this training, we provided to engineers with comprehensive and in-depth theoretical knowledge training to help them understand the structure and use function of neurosurgery operating microscope. They learned about the various components of the microscope and how they work together to provide excellent observation and magnification during the surgical process. In addition, we also demonstrated the circuit system of the neurosurgery operating microscope and explained in depth the importance of electronic components to ensure the normal operation of the equipment and high-quality imaging capability. In the presentation, the two engineers can learn how to properly maintain and clean the lens and body of the neurosurgery operating microscope. These knowledge are crucial for maintaining long-term performance stability and observation perspectives of the equipment by understanding the best practices of cleaning and maintenance. They are able to carry out professional maintenance and upkeep of surgical microscopes in the future, ensuring that surgical microscope equipment is always in the best condition to provide the best use effect. In order to improve practical operation skills, we also carried out practical training courses to let the two engineers experience the use of the neurosurgery operating microscope. They can learn how to adjust focal length and magnification, capture high-quality microscope images, and perform other surgical-related tasks. During these 4 days of training, through these practical exercises, the two special engineers have mastered and consolidated their skills in operating surgical microscopes. When the training was successfully completed, we also issued professional training certificates to the two engineers to recognize their dedication and achievements in learning and training. This certificate is a recognition of their knowledge and skills, and also a new milestone in the field of neurosurgery operating microscope. We believe that, through this training, they will further improve their professional knowledge and skills in the field of neurosurgery operating microscope and make greater contributions to the medical cause in Southeast Asia. Finally, we wish the two special engineers fruitful results in this training. May our cooperation continue to develop and work together to promote innovation and progress in medical technology.